Hi, this is Morgan. Today I'm excited to introduce our electric countertop chill-tank fryer. Whether it's for fast food restaurants or commercial kitchens, this fryer delivers stable and efficient cooking results. Crafted from stainless steel, this fryer features a sleek and robust design, ideal for any commercial kitchens. While not compact, but it offers a large frying capacity to meet high-demand operation. Each tank can hold 10 liters of oil, with a total capacity of 12 liters, making it perfect for frying a wide range of food quickly. Each tank has an independent temperature control with a simple and intuitive electronic panel for easy operation. Adjust the temperature to suit your frying needs for perfect result every time. With the oil drainage outlet, this fryer makes it easy to change oil and clean the fryer, ensuring a clean and hygienic frying process every time. This fryer is a durable and an ideal choice for any commercial environment. It's easy to use, large capacity, and helps to improve operational efficiency. That's all today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. See you next time!